Hi guys, I hope you're all doing great. In this tutorial, I will show you how to change the text size on Windows 11. Are you ready? So let's get started. So click on the Start menu and choose Setting. Okay, and then after that, you should click on Accessibility. As you can see here, text size. Click on that. Here you can change the text size of your Windows 11. So I'm gonna change that, as you can see, and click apply. It has been changed, as you can see. That's how you can change the text size preview on Windows 11. I hope you will like it. If you have any question, just drop them in the comment section and I will be very happy to help you with that. See you in the next video.